Is that clear to Jay?
Yeah.
Okay, miss. Right. So this is one important thing that we all must understand. Okay, you cannot make major mistakes in pronunciation. Right? If you say make to make, that would be acceptable, but still you will lose some scores in pronunciation. You won't be getting 2.3 if you say take instead take. எல்லாருக்கும் clear அது? இப்போ நீங்கள் இந்த உதாரணத்துக்கு நான் சொன்னேன், இப்போ நான் சொல்லக்குள்ள டேக்குன்னு சொல்கிறேன், சரிதானே? இப்போ நம்மளாக்கள் கூடுதலாக என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, இதை டேக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, டேக்குன்னு சொல்லி. இப்போ நாங்கள் டேக் என்று சொல்லாமல் டேக்குன்னு சொல்லாமல் டேக் என்று சொன்னோம்னு சொன்னால் உங்களுக்கு இந்த 2.3 ஸ்கோர்ஸையும் பெற்றுக்கொள்ள முடியாது. அந்த 2.3 ஸ்கோர்ஸும் வராது. அப்போ அதில் அவங்க என்ன செய்வாங்கன்னு சொன்னால், நீங்கள் டேக் என்று சொல்றதுக்காக சில ஸ்கோர்ஸ் இதில் ஒரு கன்சிடரபிள் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் அவங்க குறைப்பாங்க. குறைச்சிட்டு தான் உங்களுக்கு அதை அவார்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ரைட்? அப்போ ஈச் வேர்ட் இஸ் கவுண்டட், இஸ் கன்சிடர்ட், இஸ் பெய்ட் thorough attention. Each word you pronounce is paid thorough attention, and considering them all, they give you a final score. Okay, so இப்போ இதில் எங்களோட fluency must be good. Okay, we must not be looking for words or trying or stuck in using English and so on. And vocabulary must be up to standard, and we cannot use um, vocabulary inappropriately. All right. For example, we cannot say I looked the man. If we say like this, it is incorrect, isn't it? So we should use the proper prepositional phrase here. I looked at the man. So I hear people speak like this. I looked the man and he was very weird and so on. But that is incorrect. So we should use the way it should be used, and these all will be considered. And by the fluency or by the power you have in your vocabulary, you will get all 2.3 or some proportion out of that 2.3. And grammatical things also is there. So we cannot say, and have you sit for the exam before. Is this sentence correct?
No.
It is incorrect. It should be have you sat for the exam. Okay, so these are some big mistakes. Okay, so we cannot make this kind of mistake. And also pronunciation is very common, and where many of our people lose scores. Okay, we don't have to pay more attention into pronunciation, so so we can save some time. But still, if you can, do give some time and improve your pronunciation and make your pronunciation proper. Is that clear to everyone?
Sir,
Yes.
is pronunciation is what do you mean? Like elocution? Is that?
Elocution is one way of learning how to pronounce them. Yes, through elocution also people do get pronunciation.
Because we are all in Sri Lanka now. We have only Sri Lankan accent now.
Yeah,
Is that okay?
that is perfectly okay. That is perfectly okay. But we should speak Sri Lankan English, standard Sri Lankan English.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, if we are speaking standard Sri Lankan English, that would definitely be okay. It doesn't mean that we can change all the words pronunciation and use wrong English. Like people say, Like people say, you saw him. No, I don't know which no is this. You saw him. No, and
That is no, no, sir. Yes.
which one? I don't know which no is that. Uh,
No, no. Pathingaleya. That isn't it.
that
Aren't you?
is not,
Oh, aren't you only they are using no, no, sir.
but that is not right English. You,
Yes, yes.
yeah, we can ask you saw him right. This is okay, but this also depends on the context. We can use right, but it also depends on the context. But or if we want to use right English, we can make tag question. You saw him, didn't you?
Excuse me.
Yeah,
And some are using NAH. You saw him, na? Like that when they are using in SMS or WhatsApp messages, they are using you saw him, na? NAH.
this NAH is there. That is a word
Yes.
from Scottish or Irish English. They say
Yeah.
they use this for pure no. Okay, when someone asks a Scottish or an Irish, I don't remember exactly which dialect is that. It could either be Scottish or Irish.
Is
Uh,
this English, sir?
that is English. That is English, but depends on a regional accent.
Then then is it okay with our IELTS?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
That's not RP English, but it doesn't mean what you try to say there.
Yeah.
It completely means a different thing. Okay, this means no. It's complete no, and it is a no we use to answer some questions. For example, if someone asks you, "Do you like a cup of coffee or cup of tea?" Then he says, "Nah." This "nah" is no.
Yeah.
Okay, we
Okay.
cannot say you saw him now. That is incorrect. But this na, as far as I'm concerned, I do speak Hindi also. This na came from Indian English. Indian people use this na because in Hindi that na is used to make question.
Yes.
Okay, so in Hindi they use that. They say "tum janta hai na." It means you know that, right?
Mm.
Okay. Some kind of these expressions are there, and they use this in Hindi to make question, and that was brought to English from Indians, and we by no means copied that. That is not correct. So it is better we avoid this kind of things in name of Sri Lankan English. That is not actually Sri Lankan English as far as I'm concerned. There could be some reasons,
Try
but
to avoid these
I
things,
know,
sir.
yeah. As far as I know, as far as my knowledge goes, I don't agree this is to be Sri Lankan English. So we can, besides this, we can use standard Sri Lankan English. They know that. The examiners know that we can definitely use Sri Lankan English and also try to pronounce words in its own way. Because we speak Sri Lankan English, we cannot say uh, okay. So this is actually we can pronounce this comfortable. That's the right pronunciation to this word, comfortable, comfortable. Or we can pronounce this comfortable, comfortable. But we cannot pronounce this comfortable. So what many people do, they pronounce it as comfortable, comfortable. That we cannot make this F to B. We cannot do that kind of changes in name of Sri Lankan English. We can say it comfortable or comfortable or comfortable. That's the right English. Most appropriate pronunciation is comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. And we can also say it comfortable. We can say it comfortable. That's also okay. Acceptable. as Sri Lankan English, but we cannot say compatible. Okay, that is incorrect pronunciation. That is completely incorrect pronunciation. This is what exactly I try to mean here. Is that clear to everyone?